In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Notion desktop app not loading. If you've ever opened Notion only to see a blank screen, or if it briefly appears and then stalls, it can be frustrating. Fortunately, there are several safe and effective ways to get your app back on track. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step, explain why it helps, and show you what to expect along the way so you can resolve the issue confidently. First, try a force reload from within the app. If you can access the menu bar, go to View, then select Force Reload. This action refreshes the interface and reloads all active components without closing the app completely. It's a simple but powerful way to clear minor glitches or stalled processes that might prevent your pages and workspaces from appearing. Once you trigger the force reload, give it a few seconds to see if the content starts loading. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to reset your local data. In the menu bar, go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and select Reset and Erase all local data. After that, fully close Notion and restart it. This clears temporary files and cache data that may have become corrupted. Don't worry, all your content stored in the cloud remains safe. After the reset, you'll likely need to sign back in and wait for your workspaces to re-download, which may take a moment depending on the size of your data and your internet speed. Speaking of internet, it's important to ensure your connection is stable. Try opening a few websites or running a quick speed test to confirm your network is working properly. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or strict firewall, temporarily disable them and relaunch Notion. Some security tools can unintentionally block Notion's syncing services. If disabling them allows Notion to load, you can re-enable the tools later and adjust their settings so Notion is always allowed through. Finally, you can try running Notion with elevated permissions. Close the app completely, then right-click the Notion icon and choose Run as Administrator. This resolves permission-related issues that might prevent Notion from writing essential files or connecting to the network. If it launches successfully this way, it's a clear sign that permissions were the bottleneck. After each of these steps, give Notion a moment and check if your pages and databases start loading. Force reload is the quickest fix. Resetting local data is the most thorough. Checking your network removes a common culprit, and running as administrator solves permission issues. By following these targeted fixes, your Notion desktop app should start loading smoothly and allow you to get back to your work without further interruptions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.